Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today I would like to teach you how to use a Python debugging tool called IceCream. Debugging is an important part of programming, and IceCream makes it incredibly easy and fun. So first of all, we need to install IceCream. So let's see how we can install it. Go to my Visual Studio Code and open your terminal and just type pip3, in my case, install IceCream. Yes, so IceCream is installed successfully. Now let's see an example of how we can definitely use it. So I'll create a program that finds the square of a certain number. So we type numbers or create a list called numbers. Put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then I will create an empty list called square. Then I will create a for loop for number. First, then square, and square. And now we can actually use IceCream by typing C and square, but we need to import this library here first. Type from IceCream import okay. Here just wait. I will just print my list, my new list. All right. Now when we run our code, we can notice that IceCream can debug inside our for loops and get the value of the variable num and the values of the variable square. So this allows us to understand all the process, what is happening here. Great job. So you have learned how to use IceCream package in Python to simplify your debugging process. I hope you got some value from this video. Don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe for more Python tutorial. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.